We are on our hot springs hike, but we realized being here, this hike is awesome, amazing. So it deserves its own video. So if you want to see it, we'll see you in the next video. Hi, we're Chad and Ashley, and this is our van.
And today, we're here to tell you about a hike we went on. If you watched our last video, you heard us mention that we were doing a hike to a hot spring when we were staying in Nevada, in Las Vegas. Technically, the trail that we hiked is in Arizona, and it's called Arizona Hot Springs Trail, also known as Ringbolt Hot Springs Trail. And it's about a 6-mile trail. I guess you'd call it a loop trail. Let me grab my phone, I'll show you on a map. All right, the sound of the river in the background is a little loud, but if you look at this trip, this is what we're working with. It's called Arizona Ringbolt Hot Springs, and that is the map of the trail. And one thing you should note right away is that when we hiked it, we started at the starting point and followed this southern route. And that's very important because the loop is actually closed because there's a ladder involved in the loop just right after the hot springs, right around the river area. And when we were there, that ladder was actually taken down. So if we had gone the other way and done the northern part of the loop first, we wouldn't have been able to see the hot springs. We would have just gotten a look at the Colorado River and then come to a wall where the ladder was taken down. So follow the north end, you see the Colorado River. South end, you see the hot spring. They might fix that, but when we were there, it was around what? When was it? Late March we were there? Something like that? Yeah, around the end of March 2020 is when we were there, and the ladder was not there. So worth mentioning. And anyways,
No, we got lucky. We didn't plan that. We just happened to take the right way. Thank God.
Yeah, so, oh, buddy, get off the neighbor's campsite. Buddy, come.
Come say hello.
There you are. Anyways, check out this hike. It was a great time, and figured it was it deserved its own video.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Nice.
Come to Nevada, you have to do this hike. It is amazing. It's been non-stop surprises, beautiful views, and it's just amazing.
Yes, but technically it's in Arizona.
Oh, I forgot. We're so close. We're right on the border. I hear running water over there. Let's go look.
Oh my gosh, we are getting into it now. Oh, I'm starting to see it. It's wet down there.
Did it go down?
Wait, look, it's right here.
Water.
It's flowing out of this rock. Oh, my shoes are slippery and wet. Big jump. I wonder if we should take off our shoes.
Look at the water just rushing this way. This is oh! God,
Wait.
look at this!
Oh my gosh.
This is amazing.
All right, this is where you take off your shoes.
Oh my God, this is so cool.
That's a nice hot spring. Worth the hike.
And this is supposed to be, I don't know if we mentioned this before, it's supposed to be a loop, not an in and out. But unfortunately the ladder on the other side of the hot springs must have fell off or something because it's not there anymore. And there was a bunch of caution tape and things like that. So it basically turned into an out and back hike. And we didn't realize this before, but because we just passed right by it and you don't look back, but this is a huge cliff. It's so cool. Another reason why this is a cool hike.
What do you rate this hike out of 10?
I think it's like a 10 for me.
Yeah?
I know you think different because of the river. Chad thinks differently because...
I'm thinking, I give it a 9 out of 10. Amazing hike, definitely one of our best. Top 3, I want to say for sure. But I give it a 9 because, one, I prefer loop hikes to out and backs. I like to see only new things instead of the same thing twice.
Yeah.
And if the loop was open and we could have gotten past the ladder, we would have seen the Colorado River also. It was supposed to be included on this hike and we didn't get to see it because the ladder was gone. So technically we could go hike all the way back the other way, but it would more than double the length of the hike to do that. So not worth it.
So
maybe tomorrow. But I give it a 9 out of 10.
I guess 9 is good enough.
Yeah.
You had some good points there.
Amazing. That I don't know if they're called slot canyons technically, but you know, when you're walking down the narrow sand wash with huge walls on both sides, like it was the whole way down by the hot springs. Amazing.
Such an awesome hike.
Yeah.
So cool.
Definitely highly recommended.
What do you think?
And I think that is where we're going to end this video also.
Thanks. Jesus.
You can see the road way back behind us where that bridge is. That's where the end of the hike is. So we're just about back. Originally,
Can you lower so I can see?
Originally,
You're on a mountain.
Originally, this hike was going to be part of our Vegas video, but I think we've decided this hike is worthy of its own. It'll probably be a shorter one. I always say that and it ends up being just as long as all the rest. It'll probably be a shorter one though, only a few minutes, but I think this hike is worthy of its own. So, catch up with you next time, a little later. Goodbye.
Don't forget to subscribe.